I'm Mark Morreau.
And I'm Natalie Reckert. And I'm a circus performer who specializes in hand balancing.
I'm a retired circus performer and now making video and taking photographs. And this is the second time I've worked with Natalie.
Oh, it's
We
true.
collaborated before. We made a film together many years ago.
So this collaboration came about because we both have an interest or are quite fascinated by revealing what's usually hidden on stage and the process of the performer, which usually in my own work, I just explain how I feel doing handstands and being an acrobat on stage.
My research has been, like Natalie says, about revealing the unseen. As a circus performer and teacher, I see a lot of things that the audience never sees. Things that are too far away, things that are in such small detail that the distance between the audience and the performer loses that. So we've been trying to focus on the tiny things, the unrevealed things. It's great to have the Lab Times Squared Award as well as the transmission residency, because it's given us not just the space that Jackson's Lane provides, but also the financial backing from the Lab Times Squared Award. This has enabled us to hire and buy technology that we would not otherwise have had access to. And as professionals, it's also paid for our time, to be able to take a week out of work in the height of the season to be able to stop, play and investigate.
And it's great to actually have a theatre space as well to test everything we want to do on a stage with a dance floor and with a big projection screen, and to have everything in place that we would need usually for a performance.
Mostly our process has been about me proposing things to Natalie and Natalie looking at them and giving me her feedback and her consideration.
I think there's kind of two processes involved. There's Mark trying to find a way to make the projectors and cameras talk to each other and connecting all the information, which sometimes, of course, is a learning process. And then it's also me trying to relate to the technology with what I do in handstands. And it also involves a lot of time. I spend a lot of time also watching myself on camera, on a big screen, and trying to understand what the audience and what I get from seeing my body in different perspectives and through different media. The plan was to take what we have developed this week and apply for further funding, and then decide what shape the project is supposed to take, whether it's going to become a performance or a lecture performance or a film. I think we haven't quite decided on the format of it yet.
I'm quite excited by what we've done and interested to take the project further.